Imagine waking up, grabbing a coffee, and watching as your daily tasks organize themselves, your emails write themselves, and your business practically runs on autopilot, all while you focus on the things that truly matter. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. This is the power of AI in 2024, and if you're not leveraging it, you're leaving massive productivity gains on the table. Technology is no longer just a tool, it's an extension of how we think, create, and manage our time. AI isn't just changing the way we work, it's revolutionizing it. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, a student, or just someone looking to reclaim precious hours in your day, artificial intelligence can help you work smarter, not harder. So how exactly can AI help you 10x your productivity? Let's break it down into the most powerful, actionable ways to integrate AI into your daily workflow, automating repetitive tasks. Repetitive tasks eat away at your time without adding real value. AI tools can eliminate these time wasters by automating them entirely. Email management. AI-powered email assistants like Superhuman, Sanebox, and Google's Smart Reply analyze your inbox, prioritize messages, and even draft replies. Instead of spending hours sorting through emails, you can handle only what truly requires your attention. Scheduling and calendar management. AI tools like Motion, X.ai, and Reclaim.ai automatically schedule meetings, sync your calendars, and even block out focus time based on your priorities. No more back and forth emails trying to find the perfect time slot. Data entry and administrative work. Tools like Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat, connect your apps and automate workflows. Whether it's logging customer details into a CRM or transferring data from spreadsheets, AI can handle it all seamlessly. By removing mundane, repetitive tasks from your plate, AI allows you to focus on high-value work that actually moves the needle. AI-powered writing and communication. Writing is a major part of most people's work, whether it's emails, reports, blog posts, or social media content. AI can supercharge your writing process, making it faster and more efficient. Content creation. AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper can generate articles, scripts, and reports in minutes. Whether you need a full blog post or just help structuring your ideas, AI can help you create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. Summarization tools. AI tools like Tweeter and Summarize Tech extract key information from long documents, videos, or meetings, giving you only the insights you need. Grammar and style enhancement. Grammarly and ProWritingate improve your writing by suggesting better word choices, eliminating errors, and even tailoring your tone for different audiences. If writing takes up a big chunk of your day, leveraging AI can free up hours while maintaining or even improving quality. Supercharging decision-making with AI. Decision fatigue is real. Every day, we make hundreds of decisions, from what to prioritize at work to what to eat for lunch. AI can take over some of these choices, helping you make better, faster decisions. AI-powered research. Instead of spending hours Googling, use AI tools like Perplexity.ai and Elicit to quickly find reliable information. These tools analyze vast amounts of data and deliver concise, actionable insights. AI-based analytics. Platforms like Tableau, Power BI, and Google Looker use AI to analyze data, find patterns, and generate reports. Whether you're running a business or just tracking personal productivity, AI can help you make sense of complex information. Personalized recommendations. AI-driven apps like Notion AI and ClickUp suggest optimal ways to organize your tasks, while AI-based shopping assistants recommend the best deals based on your preferences. By letting AI handle data analysis and research, you can make informed decisions quickly, without getting lost in information overload. AI for focus and deep work. Distractions are the enemy of productivity. AI can help you stay in the zone and maximize your focus. AI-powered noise cancellation. Tools like Crisp and NVIDIA RTX Voice eliminate background noise, making remote work calls crystal clear and reducing distractions. Distraction blockers. AI-based apps like Freedom and Cold Turkey block distracting websites and apps based on your work habits. Some, like Rescue Time, even analyze how you spend your time and suggest productivity improvements. Smart task management. AI-powered to-do list apps like Todoist, Sensei, and Akaflow use machine learning to prioritize your tasks and schedule them at the optimal time for maximum efficiency. With AI acting as your productivity coach, you can maintain deep focus and get more done in less time, leveraging AI for learning and skill development. Continuous learning is essential for staying ahead, and AI makes it easier than ever to acquire new skills. Personalized learning platforms, AI-driven platforms like Duolingo, Coursera, and Khan Academy adjust lessons based on your learning pace, ensuring you grasp concepts faster. The AI revolution is just beginning. With new advancements emerging rapidly, those who embrace AI early will have a massive competitive edge. Imagine a world where AI anticipates your needs before you even articulate them. A world where your business, side hustle, or personal goals are powered by an intelligent system that streamlines everything. AI won't replace human creativity, intuition, or emotional intelligence, but it will supercharge them. There's one major takeaway: AI is not about replacing human effort, it's about amplifying it. Those who resist AI may find themselves falling behind, while those who harness it will unlock new levels of efficiency and success.